Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to unlock all characters in Risk of Rain 2. So Commando and Huntress, both of them are by default. Whenever you start the game, you get them. And then Bandit, you'll get him by completing either of the 30 stages, multi, and you'll get him by completing the verified challenge in which you must beat the first teleporter event 5 times. Then Engineer, you unlock him through the engineering perfection, which you achieve by completing 30 stages over any number of runs that depends on you. And then Artificer, to unlock her, you need to complete the pause challenge in which your objective is to free the survivor suspended in time. Mercenary, you get him by completing the true respite challenge in which your goal is to obliterate yourself at the obelisk. And then Rex, you get this guy by completing the power plant challenge in which you must repair the broken robot with an escape pod's fuel array. Loader, you get him by completing the guidance offline challenge. And our Acrid, you get him by completing the to be left alone challenge. Captain, you need to complete the washed away challenge by defeating the final boss. Void Fiend, he's a part of the survivors of the Void expansion and you unlock him through the dragged below challenge, and you need to either defeat the boss or reach the end or complete wave 50. Railgunner, you get her by purchasing the survivors of the Void DLC. And last but not the least, Heretic, you get her you cannot pick her from the character selection screen, but you need to get her by transforming into her by holding all 4 heresy items simultaneously, and this is how you can do it. Hope that helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one.